Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Nissan Navara, stock number 6354. This ran from the 4th 2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23 twin turbo 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the YS23 twin turbo 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate 1 dent, 2 dents, right rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,